it's Gem and Jess, and if you're new here, then welcome to my channel. This video is going to be episode 8 of What's in the Box. And I literally don't know either, just like you, what's going to be in this box. So we're going to find out together. First, I have a disclaimer. You might hear a little noise in the background during the video. I live next to a freeway exit, so if you do, I'm apologizing in advance now, but hopefully not. So, let's open this. I hope everyone had a great day today. I was not expecting any paintings. Oh my gosh. This is going to be so fun to open. Alright, let's see here. Oh, it's from Pretty Neat Creative. Did I order anything from here? You guys, I swear, I do not remember ordering anything. Another painting from Pretty Neat Creative again. I just got or did one from there. I have no idea. Okay, let's see what's going on here. I seriously don't remember ordering from here. Sorry, I'm super surprised. I usually am on point with what I order. Apparently not. Okay, well, I guess Pretty Neat Creative is what's in the box. Here is the packaging. It's a nice tube. It says their logo and like the little thing memo right there and 6 steps. Okay. Wow. Alright, well, let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot there's tape right here. Let me open this real quick. Is this a gift or something? I'm just flabbergasted. I really don't remember ordering anything. Okay. Alrighty. Little business card for a coupon, 15% off. Is that it? Yeah. Put this right here. Stay. Alright, let's see here. I am so confused, you guys. How do I open this? Oh, there we go. Alright. There we go. Okay, let's see here. Let me scoot you back a little. Bend you down a little more. Sorry if I'm making you seasick over here. There we go. Okay, toolkit. Let's open this up. Oh my gosh. There we go. Alright, it's got a little squishy thing. A white tray funnel with a decent chunk of wax. Ooh, pointy tweezers. Be careful with these. I've stabbed myself before. Diamond painting pen with a little multi-placer on it. And that's it. Okay, so there's the toolkit. Move that over there. Go. Okay. This, oh, there's a piece of tape right here. Let me get this off. I do not remember ordering this. Oh, it's the Day of the Dead unicorn. Oh, this is... I think Bev B Diamond Paint sent me this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so... Oh my gosh, thank you, Bev. What the heck? I'm like shocked right now. Okay. Now I remember her telling me she was going to send me a painting, but like, she didn't tell me when or keep me posted, and I just thought it was like later or something. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the thumbnail. Can you guys see that little Day of the Dead unicorn? So cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so stoked right now, you guys. Okay, we'll look at the drills in a minute. That's so cool. Alright, let me roll this backwards real quick because it's poured glue, so I can do that. That's why I love this company too. I just finished one. If you guys want to check it out from this company, the Sugar Skull Girl. Oh my gosh, how exciting. Alright. Here is the painting. Bam. What y'all think? So cool. I love it. I love it. I love it. If you know anything about me, I love Day of the Dead, anything, and unicorns. Okay, so it says right here, Pretty Neat Creative. Feel the Beauty in Diamonds. The thumbprint with the 30 by 30 right there, or the thumbnail, sorry, thumbprint. 2 legends, which is awesome. And then their little like social media info right here. There is 27 colors. Now let's look at the, or let me measure this actually first. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Bev. You guys, I have the best friends in YouTube land. I don't care what anybody says. Okay, this is literally 3 centimeters off, okay, then 30. And then right here, this is, ooh, I want to make sure I have it exactly right. I think it's right on point, or barely 1 centimeter less, but pretty close. That's all I care about, okay? That is cool. All right, let's look at the drill field together. Whoa. Can you guys see how clear that is? I hope I'm not blocking the light. The symbols look amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna finish this so fast. I cannot wait. It is so pretty. And look, there's none, at least that I can see, that would be hard to tell the difference of, you know what I mean? Thank goodness. There's a lot of 310, but that's okay because I love color blocking. And besides, it makes up for the unicorn because there's a lot of confetti if you don't notice. Oh, how exciting. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, I'll shut up now. Alright, let's look at the drills. That is so cool, and there's really not that many colors. How many were there? Oh, let me get the inventory sheet, actually. It's right here. This is also why I love Meet Creative. It comes with the full-blown inventory sheet. So, 27 colors. It has the weight. Let me show you. It has the weight, the DMC number, the quantity of drills, how much the bags weigh. I mean, everything. You know what I mean? So that is pretty awesome. Alright. So how many did I say? 27. Let me get this out of the way. 27 colors. I don't remember that. Oh, and see, they have the bags numbered. Can you see that? Yeah. See how it has number 27? I'm still going to count them though, because you never know. I don't like how there's tape on the back of this. I got to get that off. But it is what it is. Okay. Alright, let's count these. Ooh. So see how those are number 3s? And I like it because on the inventory sheet, see, this is 310s, okay, black, 3. On the inventory sheet, number 3, as you see, the DMC number is 310, and it'll tell you there is 2 bags. And I like that they highlighted it so I didn't get confused. That is pretty cool. Alright, so 1, 2, 2 3s, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which one's this? Oh, 13, 14, oh, the colors are so pretty, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Perfect. They're all here. Alright, now I'm just gonna show you backwards, I guess, the colors. I always do drills last in case people don't want to see it, because I'm one of those people. Here's a 27. I'll read you the DMC number, because I know some of you know them by DMC. So this is DMC 3865. 26. This is DMC 3837, purple. 25. DMC 3836, beautiful mauve, like rose blush color. I don't know, I love that color. 24 is DMC 3814, beautiful green. 23 is DMC 3810. 22 is DMC 3809. So pretty. Where am I at? 21 is DMC 3808. It's like a really teal, dark teal color. 20 is DMC 3804. Love it. 19 is DMC 3608. 18 is DMC 964. 17 is DMC 959. Pretty greens. I love blue greens and greens. It's so sweet. 16 is DMC 958. 15 is DMC 956. Whoop, dropped it. So pretty. 14 DMC 917. Beautiful. Am I on 13? I hope so. 13 is DMC 823. Like a dark blue. Oh, that's just my timer. Ignore that. What number am I on? 12? 12 is DMC 718. Beautiful, beautiful, dark, like magenta looking color. 11 DMC 602. Such pretty colors. 10 is DMC 554. 11, oh wait, no, just kidding. 9 is DMC 553, pretty purple. 8 is DMC 552. What number is this? Oh, 7, right? Yeah, 7 is DMC 550, of course. Beautiful dark purple. 6, where is it? There it is. 6 is DMC 414. Pretty like gray color, I guess. They have the most prettiest drills, I swear. 4 DMC 327. And 3, of course, 310s. I'm gonna look, let's see if there's any trash. Any trash? Focus. Honestly, it's so, I see some, I'm not gonna lie. But you know what? There's 2 bags, so hopefully I'll have enough regardless if there's trash or not. Because every kit has trash. It sucks, but it's true. I'll keep you posted on that. Oh, I guess I missed number 5. Whoops. Sorry, guys. Number 5 is DMC 413. It's still like a grayish color. And then number 3 is DMC... No, just kidding. Number 2 is DMC 159. That's a pretty, like, light lavender color or something. And then number 1, last but not least, DMC 154. It's like a dark, dark maroonish purple color. Sweet. So those are the drills. Let me put these away real quick, or to the side or something. Get out of here. Okay. Oh, a couple fell out. I wonder if there's, that means there's like a hole in the bag somewhere. I hope I didn't poke it with my nails. Alright, let's check this thing out one more time. I don't like that there's tape right here. Like, that's really unnecessary. There we go. Let me get this off. Okay. One last look of this pretty cool canvas. I love it. I love it. I hope she ordered this for me and I didn't. That'd be hilarious if she didn't and I ordered it and forgot. But if she did, if you did, Bev, thank you so much. I'm so stoked. Soon as I can finish this monstrous canvas I'm doing for Drill Beast, I promise this is going to be my next one. Promise, promise. I love it. One last look, I guess. Sorry, I got a different setup going on here. Isn't she cute? I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching episode 8 of What's in the Box, and discovering what was in the box with me. I am super excited and can't wait to start this. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye!